Alright, you just go ahead. It's your turn. Here. Toss this one. You don't want to hit any more dingoes, do you? We hate fucking dingoes. Whoop. Good fucking throw. Fucking dingoes, I tell you. Always hitting fucking dingoes. Out here in the wilderness, playing the disc golf. A little goal in the hole. You know what I'm talking about? Look at that. Look at it. Your turn. Hell yeah!
Can I get a hell yeah?
You got this. Come on. You got it. No more fucking dingoes. Woo! That was a good fucking shot. Woo! Go, babes! Yeah! Alrighty, here goes the birdie. The birdie. Oh, I got fucking rejected. Let's try again. Oh, I guess we're going for a bogey. Oh, right in the hole. Fuck!
There.
Fucking dingoes, I tell you. We're all out here hitting fucking dingoes. Dingoes. Fuck dingoes.
No more dingoes.
On the last hole, I might actually make a birdie. I might actually make a birdie in a bird's nest. Finally, in this holy hole golf place. Been making dingers all day. But finally, I'll get a birdie. Woo! It's a little hot after a little disc golf. A little goal in the hole. A little Chang gang, if you know what I mean. So what do you think of disc golf now that we popped your cherry?
It was fun, but it was challenging. It was hot.
Hell yeah. Yeah, you need a little more practice, but I think you have it.
Thanks, babe.
Oh, you're welcome.
I think you'll get it one day, too.
Hell yeah, one day. 100 years from now.